What's the meaning of bang? Bang. Bang.
Bang. Bang. The word bang has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, it can refer to a sudden loud noise, such as that produced by a gunshot or a door slamming shut. As a verb, it can mean to strike forcefully or to make a loud noise, again typically in reference to a sudden impact. In addition to these uses, the word bang can also be used in a figurative sense to indicate emphasis or excitement, as in the phrase, a bang-up job. Overall, bang is a versatile word that can convey a range of different meanings and emotions depending on its usage.